Hello all, welcome to bonadeafashions. In today's video, we are going through a very pretty collection of pure 80s count chettinad cotton sarees. The material used is very soft and comfortable to wear for any kind of occasions, and the fancy weaving borders enhancing the elegance of these collections. The saree length is 5.5 meters without blouse, and this beautiful collection you are getting in a price of 749 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Other states even the shipping charges be very less, from 20 maximum up to 40 depending on the distance. For orders, DM to the given WhatsApp number. Please note our payment mode is through online only, and avoid making direct calls. Do share your queries through the given WhatsApp number only. And if you guys wanted a matching printed blouse along with this, you have to pay extra 100 rupees. And always try to make your orders from the latest uploads. And if you guys wanted a quicker update, you can join our WhatsApp groups. We are having separate groups for cotton sarees and silk sarees. You can join the like of your choice if you want. Hope you all enjoyed these beautiful collections. If you like the video, please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel for more updated trendy collections. Thank you for watching.